Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today's video is gonna be another food video. With quarantine and stuff, we're eating a lot more at home. We actually have time to cook for ourselves, so I thought it would be fun to give you guys some easy and breakfast recipes, and they're also relatively healthy. This is also just showing you guys kind of like what I eat, because I get a lot of questions on my diet and like, I don't know, how I cook for myself and stuff like that. These are just 10 random breakfasts that I have had recently. I post a lot of them on my stories and I always get a bunch of questions. That being said, plug. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Also TikTok, because that's where I post a lot of other recipes. If you want to see stuff like that, make sure to let me know if you guys want to see other food videos, because I've really been into them recently. So just keep watching and we'll get started with that.
For this very first breakfast idea, I decided to try out pancake cereal, which I saw on TikTok actually, and this was my first time trying it and I think it turned out really good. If you guys have tried it, let me know if you think it tastes better than normal pancakes, because I definitely do. I don't know if it's just because they're miniature and I love miniature things, but they were so good. This is how my little pancake cereal turned out. It's so cute. I think it's so fun and I'm really excited to try it. Basically, I just made some pancake batter that I kind of made up myself and then made them really tiny by putting it in a water bottle, and it's like the same thing as pancakes, but just look how cute it is. Should I call that good? Nice coffee. Take a sip. For the rest of my breakfast, I'm just gonna have this scone that I made with my friend like a couple days ago, and then I'm gonna have half a grapefruit. Grapefruit's good for you, according to Gilmore Girls. I'm gonna put some sugar on it. Yay! Let's go upstairs. Hey guys, I'm in my room and this is the layout for breakfast. The iced coffee that I made, this blueberry scone I made the other day with my friend. They're so good. I'm literally obsessed with scones now.
These are freaking delicious.
I've eaten so many of them. And then I have half a grapefruit with a bunch of sugar on it because grapefruits are a little bit sour. Hey guys, so it's about 12:30 right now, and I kind of unintentionally do that thing where you have like 2 breakfasts now. Like I have fruit for breakfast. Well, it's not really breakfast, but I have like a serving of fruit, and like today I had a smoothie also. Whatever, it's fine. But now I'm coming back down for my actual breakfast, and I think I'm gonna make a nice little yogurt bowl. I'm really feeling this. I'm so excited for it. I keep going in and out of my fridge, but I love these Trader Joe's yogurt. So I'm gonna make a cute little yogurt bowl, and I think I'm gonna make it all like tropical with like, oh my gosh, the fridge feels really good right now. I'm literally just sitting in it. Like I'm gonna put papaya and like mango on it or something, you know, not like your basic bowl, I guess. So for this breakfast, I just decided to start off with a base of some vanilla Greek yogurt. I absolutely love Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's, as I said. And then I just like to top it off with basically whatever fruits I have. It's kind of like topping an acai bowl, but it's yogurt when I'm too lazy to make a smoothie bowl, basically. And I just top it with whatever fruits I have. Sometimes I'll use frozen fruit too if I'm literally out of everything, but I love this because it's super filling and really easy to make. Alright, so that's the finished breakfast for today. It's just vanilla Greek yogurt, and then I have papaya. I use frozen mango because I actually don't have any normal mango. Blueberries, banana, and then I just added some coconut flakes on top. It was super sunny outside, but now it's a little cloudy, but I think I'm still gonna go eat this outside in the sun-ish, like 50 degrees, but that's sunny for us. So yeah, that's the breakfast for today. Okay, now for this breakfast, I'm just making some avocado toast, which I'm pretty sure you've seen in several other of my videos and pretty much every other YouTube video ever made. Don't pay attention to this. I suck at cracking eggs, apparently. But there's so many different ways to make avocado toast, and it's actually really appealing to watch anyways. So here's some clips of me making a rather fancy version of avocado toast. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I swear on my life, avocado toast tastes way better when the avocado is mashed compared to when it's just like sliced and slapped on top. Hey guys, so I just made my breakfast, and today I'm having some fruit. I always like eat while I'm cooking. I have some nice fruit, and then I have some avocado toast that I made on my fancy bread. Usually I just have normal bread, but I got fancy bread, and then I put a nice little fried egg on top. Excited to eat this. Hey guys, it's Easter, and for breakfast I have to hop to work real quick, so I'm just having some fruit and this chocolate zucchini muffin that I made a little while ago. I'm just gonna eat this with some soy nut butter because I'm allergic to peanut butter. But yeah, I already ate a lot of fruit. My third bowl of fruit. I do this every morning, but I am late for work, So I don't have time to make whipped coffee, unfortunately, today. But I'm still gonna enjoy my muffin. Also, happy Easter, yippee-ki-yay. This is something that I'll eat if I'm in a rush or something. I just grab something pre-made and then I always get fruit. So this is breakfast for the day. Hi guys, for today's breakfast, we're gonna be making toast because y'all know I love toast, and surprisingly, I haven't made it barely at all in this video. So that's what we're doing today. There we go. Also some coffee, and I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. And here are my quite sad scrambled eggs. I honestly don't know what I was thinking. And then this is me making some toast, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it's still fun to watch because it's toast. I love toast, okay? Dang, boy. You suck at focusing. Hey guys, so we're back in my room for breakfast, and today we're having toast. Y'all know I'm allergic to nuts, so I use soy nut butter on it, and then I wanted to put it something different instead of bananas because I always do bananas. So I used blackberries, and then I just like chopped them up and put it on top. And then I have scrambled egg, and then have coffee over here. Yes, pretty. Hey guys, for breakfast today, I already had like a huge jar of coffee. I had some fruit earlier, and I already had a slice of banana bread, but basically doubling it up, I just have a bunch of fruit here. Literally everything in there. I have mango, papaya, cantaloupe, strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, grapes, watermelon. And then I have some banana bread. This is really bad. I made this like yesterday, and we already finished it. So, I mean, and by we, I mean me. It's fine. I am obsessed with banana bread. I also have some lemon water because I'm trying to stop drinking so much coffee. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this. It's super nice out. I think I'm gonna eat it in my backyard. And that's the breakfast for today. This day, I decided to make myself a little smoothie bowl. I absolutely love making these. They're actually very, very fun to make and very quick. You can also get really creative with them to cater to your taste just for that day. And I love them when I have a little sweet tooth. Hey guys, so I finished making my little smoothie bowl. I'm tempted to call it an acai bowl, but it's not, and I'm trying not to spill it. My mom's cutting fruit back here. Vegetables, sorry, my bad. This is my finished smoothie bowl. I wanted it to be blue like blueberries, but I keep forgetting blueberries aren't actually blue. And it's also melting as I speak, so I want to eat this fast. But this is my finished smoothie bowl. I put cocoa nibs on this one, and I'm really, really excited for this topping combo. And that's... This day was actually Mother's Day, so I decided to get up bright and early and make a lovely breakfast for the family. So I made pancakes, which are so much fun to make. Look how fluffy and cute. Hey guys, so for today's breakfast, it's actually Mother's Day, so I made up a whole pancake breakfast for the family. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Hi, thank you.
So we made some pancakes here, and then I have a pretty little fruit setup. I have watermelon and berries, and then pancakes, and of course the pancakes, chocolate chips,
wow,
and blueberries.
That's nice. Oh, look at it.
I'm grabbing breakfast. I will turn this... Shoot, bruh. I got it all over my jacket. And I literally just washed it. Lots of ice, some milk. And this is another version of a yogurt bowl, but it's just a little bit more hearty. I don't know, just like a different flavor combo, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so we got breakfast ready. I have like a yogurt bowl, and then I have like a zucchini chocolate muffin that I made. Some banana, some blueberries, soy nut butter. And I just have a little bowl of fruit, and then some beautiful coffee. Quite beautiful. I'm excited to try this. Please be good. Quite delicious. This is coconut Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's. I put my muffin that I made at home in here. I don't know if that's weird.
Okay guys, so those were my 10 breakfast ideas that are relatively healthy, also pretty quick, easy, and tasty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it will give you some food inspo so you can try out some of these things while you're cooking for yourself at home, or even once you get back into the groove of things, you'll have some breakfast ideas, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's also my favorite meal of the day. I love breakfast. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on my other socials and subscribe to this channel because it really helps me out. And yeah, chat with me in the comments or on Instagram. I love talking to you guys. Also, reminder, I just started a schedule, so I'll be uploading every Friday at 11 a.m. and occasionally on Mondays as well. Make it known, you know. So yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know it's getting late now, baby.